In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this game changer skincare tool that I promise you do not want to miss out on. It uses light therapy as well as light vacuum to pull out any impurities, oils, dirt, and blackheads from your skin. And yes, what you see floating in this water right here are my blackheads. So if you are on your skincare journey or on your journey to clear skin, please make sure you stay tuned for this video because I promise you do not want to miss this. Alright, here are the timestamps. Feel free to look at them and skip over to whatever part it is that you want to see. And thank you so much to Beauty Bio for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so let's get straight into unboxing this product. And I really do have to say that Beauty Bio did an amazing job with this packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, that writing is 3D. It's so beautiful. The first thing you see when you open the box is this little pamphlet here that gives you a little idea of what the machine is and what exactly it is that it does. And underneath the bubble wrap, you'll see the machine itself. This is a Hydro Infusion pore cleansing machine. And there are so many explanations all over the pamphlet that you saw when you first opened the box, the ones on the actual machine box itself, and you guys are going to see that there's another one as well. So it's very hard to not know how to use the machine because everything is very detailed. There are a lot of explanations in here. It does come with two heads, a large one and a small one, and there's also a clarifying cap that comes on the machine itself that's specifically for the LED therapy that I'll show you guys later. But the pamphlet that comes in here gives you guys an exact explanation of exactly what each head does. It also comes with this little brush here that you can use to really go deep into the machine and clean it once you're done using it, because trust me, when you see the dirt that comes out of your skin, you're going to want to clean your machine. And it took me a little while to find out where to put the charger. It's very well hidden, but this is where it is just in case you go ahead and get the product. So how do you use the machine? And the very first thing you want to do to turn the machine on is hold down the metal button for 2 seconds, and then you'll see the blue light on, and that is how you'll know the machine is on. There are 3 different intensities, so the more you press, the higher the intensity. Go ahead and pop the head that's already on the machine off if that's what you want to do, depending on which head you want to use. And once you open up the machine, you're going to see that there are 2 lines, one for the concentrate and one for the water, as you can see here. So you're going to fill up the concentrate up to the concentrate line, and then you're going to go ahead and fill up the rest with water all the way up to the water line, as you can see here. Once that's done, all you have to do is literally just take it and slide it back into the machine. It's super easy. It just clicks right in, and you can take the cover and click that back on as well. Super, super simple. So there are different settings and different intensities. I believe there are 3 different intensities. So 1, 2, and 3. I went ahead and put it on setting 2. And once again, this is a vacuum. So when you put it against your skin, you're going to feel a bit of a suction feeling. And you guys can kind of see that right here. Don't worry, my hands are clean. I just washed my face and washed my hands. Make sure you wash your face before you do this. You do not want to do it on a dirty face. The pamphlet kind of shows you what direction you should be using the machine in. You really just want to follow the natural contour of your face. So I'm just going in from inwards, working my way outwards. And try not to use it on the same spot more than 2 times because you want to avoid unnecessary irritation. But because I know my skin isn't too sensitive when it comes to treatments like this, and because I was breaking out because of hormones and all of that, I was a little bit more thorough. But try not to pass over the same spot too many times to avoid irritating your skin. are different types of light flashes as well as sounds that you might hear when you're doing your facial, and the pamphlet explains exactly what each one of those are. But if you see this white flashing light, it means that it's not in proper contact with your skin. So make sure that you're holding it upright and that it's really in contact with your skin. At this point, I was extremely shook because we saw the quality of the water that I put in there. It was crystal clear, and look at the water now. It is literally filthy. That's all the dirt, the blackheads. You can literally see it floating in the water. That's everything that came out of my skin. And this is how amazing this product is. But we'll go into the reviews a little bit later on. Let's just quickly go into aftercare and what to do with the machine once you're done using it. Underneath the machine, you're going to see this little white flap. All you have to do is pull it, and that is how you drain the water out. And then you can go ahead and use your spoolie. I would honestly recommend using soap. I did use soap afterwards, but just for the purpose of the video, because I was nowhere near my kitchen, I'm just doing this to show you how to clean. And my skin felt so fresh, so clean after using this. Honestly, this is, like I said, the best skincare product or the best skincare tool that I have personally ever used. I love it. So definitely make sure that you guys go check out Beauty Bio's website and check out this product. This is a game changer. The next day I woke up with my skin so much clearer than it was before. All the little whiteheads and the blackheads that I could see on my skin were gone. You do not want to miss out on this product. So once again, thank you so much to Beauty Bio for sponsoring this video, and definitely make sure you go get yours. See you in the next one.